You're a very pretty bird. Give him some corn. Does he want some corn? He does want some corn. Ooh. The other one wants to get some corn too. Cheesy. He just said give me some corn. Make him chicken in your hand. Aww. Corn. The breakfast of champions. Oh my god, it's the world's largest crystal ball. See? It's natural. This is a mouse deer. They're real shy, and I don't think they like to be out in the daytime. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see those tiny little legs. Wow. You like string beans, huh?
Oh, he does, yeah.
So cute. Oh my god. Danger, wild animals. Only those who strongly believe in rebirth should risk going near. Well, you can't really see him very well. That is a... What's an albino monkey doing in the sun? Give him something to eat. There's his butt. The string bean. He says he doesn't want a string bean.
Okay. Oh, I like carrots. I do.
Oh, he's cute. I can't. Hi. I wish I didn't have to film you through a cage, but safety first.
He says, what else is in the bag? He's like...
This is a bear cat. Oh my god. Who's this little civet cat?
Who shoots an insect?
Look at that foot. Look at his body. What's he gonna...
Do you like that?
And he likes string beans. How can you eat upside down? Don't you have any more string beans? He looks depressed. Look at him. He's pouting or something. Oh, I'm so sad. There's a pigtail. They're eating corn on the top. And give him something. Wow.
I'm not letting you go for my hand because I know you're going to sniff at it.
Dude, my parents used to raise these. Whoops. There you are.
What you got for me to eat?
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to see
Is this
you.
an ostrich?
It's an ostrich. Hello! Prehistoric little monsters. Yes, you're so strange.
Holy crap.
Patience, monkey. Patience.
Ooh! Oh my goodness. He eats cabbage. Ooh. Hi. This is the lady Amherst pheasant. This is the Bremini kite. Looks like the American eagle. Wow.